This is a video for Thursday, March 4th. A bucket list is a list of things a person hopes to accomplish in their life, like climbing Mount Everest or writing a novel. Write as many things that would go on your bucket list as you can in the space provided. All right, so today we have several questions. You're going to be able to answer these without much input from me. Most of these are coming straight from your own brain. Why might it be important to set financial goals, and what could happen if you don't set financial goals? So that's going to be the first question. So go ahead and answer that. Pause the video if you need to. Next, pick one of your bucket list items and list steps you would like to take to achieve that goal. So maybe your bucket list item is to travel to a certain place, maybe Australia. Well, what would you need to do to reach that goal? You need to save money. You need to maybe get a passport. You would need to maybe have a job that gives you enough time off work, things like that. Categorize each step into short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. So you're probably going to have some of each of these, and you're going to go ahead and break those steps down. Next, what is the difference between a need and a want? In economics, we talked more about how a need is required for survival. In personal finance, we're going to have a little bit more of a liberal definition with that. You can say things like a cell phone or gas, like those might be needs. So what might be a need or a want? Next, you're going to think about some of your own recent purchases and categorize those as needs or wants. For me, I had Chick-fil-A this morning. That is a want. I did not need Chick-fil-A this morning. In fact, I didn't need any food this morning. You might say that food is a need, but a lot of times I don't eat breakfast and I don't need breakfast. So that's going to be a want. Yesterday I got gas. That's going to be a need in the personal finance sense because I need to get to work. So sometimes needs, sometimes wants. Think about your own and answer it. And then how do your needs and wants relate to one another? All right. So what happens if you spend all your money on things you want? What happens if an unexpected need prevents you from saving for a want? And what strategies can you think of for balancing the two? Go ahead and pause the video so that you can answer those questions. All right. How do your needs and wants relate to one another? Well, your needs are going to be required for you in this world. A lot of times when you're making a budget, your needs are going to go at the top, and then money that's left over might be categorized in the want category. And if you need to cut something out, you're definitely going to cut the want category out. You're not going to cut things that you need out of your budget. What happens if you spend all your money on things you want? Well, you won't have money for things that you need. That seems pretty obvious. And you won't have money to save is the other part of that. What if an unexpected need prevents you from saving for a want? Well, that's life. That happens sometimes. It's called being an adult. And sometimes an unexpected need will prevent you from saving for a want. In that case, you have to prioritize your needs and your wants in that way. And obviously, your needs should go on top there. What strategies can you think of for balancing the two? I'll leave that one to you. Maybe writing a list, maybe budgeting, all sorts of different strategies that you might come up with. And then the last thing, write a reflection paragraph about your savings goals. What additional steps should you take to reach your goals? Are there other goals you want to work towards, and how do you think your current goal setting effort will affect your financial life? So this is a paragraph. You're going to go ahead and write all those answers in a paragraph form. You will notice that this is the last thing in this set of notes. So once you are done with this, you can go ahead and submit it.